This is a message for the various news media in India. Don't you dare call the protests in Bangladesh an Islamist protest. Don't you dare call the protests in Bangladesh a Jamaat orchestrated right-wing or far right-wing protest. Don't you dare. Look at my face. I am one of the most outspoken critics of religious extremism. So I'm telling you all, don't you dare call the revolution in Bangladesh an Islamist or religious protest. We are protesting and we are rebelling against a dictator called Sheikh Hasina. But I am also thankful for the role some of the Indian media playing in our support. Look at this face again. I am one of the most outspoken critics of religious extremism. Don't you dare call this revolution against this dictator an Islamist uprising. Don't you fucking dare.